My name is David Teague, Technical Marketing Engineer at Nutanix, and I'm excited to show you the next generation of our Database as a Service test drive, which uses Nutanix Era. We've added a lot of great new features and new scenarios for you to try out, so let's dive right in and get started. The Era Test Drive update now has 4 sections, each with many new scenarios to work through. In the previous version of Era Test Drive, you could only deploy a single instance database. With this update's test drive, you can now deploy a highly available database with multiple replicas. The test drive walks you through the many options you have when deploying a multi-replica database, such as choosing how many replicas and what the primary server VM for the cluster is. We use PostgreSQL for this test drive, but the provisioning would be similar for a Microsoft SQL Server availability group as well. Now we move on to another completely new section in the Era test drive, patching. You will create a new patch standard and patch a vulnerable database server. You will see how easy it is to create a new patch standard. Patching uses Era's software profiles, making it easy to minimize the number of database configurations you have. In the test drive, you will create a new patch standard from a database server that already has the patches applied and publish that patch standard, which will flag the database servers that they need the update. With the patch standard created, we will move on to patching a database server. You will see the options that Era provides for patching, such as patching now or scheduling a patch for an outage window. Era 2.0 adds the ability to patch Microsoft SQL and PostgreSQL to the already supported Oracle patching. While we use a PostgreSQL Server VM for the patching process is similar for any of the supported database engines. With the new database recovery section, you can now experience how to do an in-place restore of a database. With the in-place restore, you can see how quick and efficient it is to recover from a database that is unavailable. Era relies on Nutanix's HCI native snapshots, so restoring even a multi-terabyte database can be done in a few minutes. The creating a clone of a production database and the clone refresh test drives now have their own section under copy data management, so you can experience how easy it is to create and manage clones with Nutanix Era. We have a lot of new features in Era 2.0 and the Era test drive, and are excited for you to experience the simplicity of database lifecycle management in the test drive, so head on over and get signed up. Thank you for watching.